Here's how you knit a simple beginner blanket so you will be wrapped in warm, cuddly love all winter long. Begin, we're going to start by casting on our stitches. Once you've cast on your stitches, you're good to go ahead and start knitting. You're going to knit 5 rows, and for the actual blanket, you're going to be holding your yarn triple. Then we're going to work a setup row, so you're going to go ahead and start with a knit 5. This is going to be our side border. 2, 3, 4, 5, and go ahead and place a little stitch marker on there. Then you're going to knit across until you have 5 stitches left, and that'll be the border for our other side. When you have 5 stitches left, pop another stitch marker on and finish off by knitting those final 5 stitches. For row 1 of the body, we're going to start by knitting our border stitches and then repeat across your row, purl 1, knit 3, 2, 3. So repeat that, purl 1, knit 3. And you're going to do that all the way across to your next stitch marker, and then just go ahead and knit those final 5 stitches. For row 2 and all wrong side rows, we're going to start by working our knit border. Go ahead and slip your stitch marker, and you're going to knit the knits and purl the purls as you see them. So if they have a little necklace on, you're going to purl them. So purl the little purl bumps, and then if it's a V, you're going to knit it. So purl if they have a little necklace, and if it's a V, you're going to knit it. Slip your stitch marker and go ahead and knit the final 5 stitches. For row 3, we're going to start by knitting our border stitches. And you're going to repeat across your row, knit 1, purl 1, knit 2. So continue repeating that. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 2, slip your stitch marker when you come to it and knit the final 5 stitches. Row 4, you're going to start by knitting those first 5 stitches, and then again knit the knits and purl the purls as you come to them. So there's a little necklace, we're going to purl it. Purl the next one, there's a V, so you're going to knit it. Here's some more little necklaces, purl, 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 there's a V, so you're going to knit it, and there's a little purl bump, so you purl it. Flip your stitch marker and then knit the final 5 stitches. For row 5, we're going to start by knitting our border stitches. You're going to repeat across, knit 2, purl 1, knit 1. So knit 2, purl 1, knit 1. Repeat all the way to your stitch marker, slide that, and go ahead and finish off by knitting your border stitches. Row 6, start by knitting the first 5 stitches. So we've got here a little purl bump, so we're going to purl that. Next is a V, so we're going to knit it. And we've got a purl, a purl, a purl. The next one's a V, so we're going to knit that, and then a purl and a purl. When you come to your stitch marker, go ahead and slip it and knit those final 5 stitches. For row 7, you know what to do. Go ahead and knit those first 5 stitches. Then you're going to knit 3, 2, 3, and purl 1, and repeat that across. Knit 2, 3, purl 1. When you come to your stitch marker, just slip that and knit those final 5 stitches. For row 8, we're going to go ahead and knit 5 stitches, and we've got here a little V, so you're going to knit it, and then 3 purl bumps, so you're going to purl those. Knit that next V, work 3 purls, continue repeating that across till you reach your stitch marker, slip that, and then just knit the final 5 stitches. Then you're going to repeat the body rows 1 through 8 until the blanket is the size you love. Then you finish off with some knit rows, and then you're good to bind off. And here's what you have. You got your beautiful little garter stitch border and your fun little diagonal stitch pattern in the center. Happy knitting and stay cozy!